Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change a favicon on your Shopify store. A favicon, short for favorite icon, is that small logo or image that appears next to your store's name in a browser tab. It's a tiny detail, but it makes your store look much more professional and helps strengthen your brand identity. So let's get started. First, sign into your Shopify account. Just go to the Shopify website and log in using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Themes section by going to Online Store, then clicking on Themes. Every Shopify theme already has a built-in favicon option, so you won't need to install any extra apps for this. Next, find your active theme and click Customize. This will open up the theme editor, where you can make visual changes to your store. Inside the theme editor, look for the theme settings icon. It's usually a small gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click it to open your settings. Now, select the option that says Logo. In most Shopify themes, including the popular Dawn theme, you'll find the favicon setting right there. Under the favicon section, you can either upload a new image or choose one you've already added to your files. Click Select Image if you want to upload a favicon from your computer, or choose Explore Free Images if you'd like to browse Shopify's library of icons. If you already have a favicon but want to update it, just click Change to replace it with a new one. Once your favicon is uploaded, it's a good idea to add alt text to it. This helps search engines and accessibility tools understand what the icon represents. To do that, click Edit next to your favicon image. Type a short description like Blue Shopping Bag Logo and then click Save. When you're finished, make sure to click Save again in the top right corner of the theme editor. And that's it. Your new favicon will now appear in the browser tab right next to your store's name. It's a small change, but it adds a polished and trustworthy touch to your brand. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip for the best quality display across all browsers and devices. Use a favicon image that's either 32 by 32 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels. And save it as a PNG file. And there you go. That's how you add or change a favicon on Shopify. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.